We're going to learn how to get user input in Python. So in line 5, we're going to create a prompt that asks the user what their birthday is. That's done by saying input, and inside is a prompt that we're going to ask the user, what is your birthday? Now, when this is run, I'm able to enter my birthday, but nothing happens as a result. In line 8, what we're doing is we're now storing their input as a variable. I'm going to call that variable birthday. And you're going to assign the variable the input that the user is entering. So again, the variable gets assigned to whatever the input from the user is. I'm going to make line 5 a comment so that it's not happening twice. So again, when I click run, I can enter my birthday, but nothing happens because I didn't print it. So now I'm able to print the variable that stores the user input. And when I click run, I can enter my birthday and it prints it out.